Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can start dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. Now I've been doing eBay dropshipping for a very long time, like 4 years. So I'm not guys that kind of YouTubers who are doing eBay dropshipping videos, but they are not doing eBay dropshipping. Okay, I am actually doing eBay dropshipping. As you can see here, the last payment is $141. It went to my Payoneer account, as you can see here. So I'm doing eBay dropshipping, and I know guys what I'm talking about. I am doing in sales over $7,000 in one of my other accounts. This is not the account that is doing $7,000. This account is just for the videos that you see right now. So let's get started right now. So like dropshipping from Amazon to eBay is very easy. You go to I'm sorry, I'm saying AliExpress because I've been using AliExpress for a very long time. Till this day, I'm still using AliExpress dropshipping to eBay, like from AliExpress to eBay. I still dropship from AliExpress to eBay. What I like about AliExpress is you don't add a logo like in the package. You don't add the original price. That's what I like about AliExpress. But on Amazon, I had some problems with Amazon, like they add the original logo of Amazon in the package, and there is someone who left a feedback on my eBay store, and they said that the package is coming from Amazon, and since then I stopped using Amazon. Okay, I don't know why. I just don't want to use it anymore because it causes some problems to my business. I like a reliable business. I like something to rely on. That's why I don't use Amazon anymore, but I have experience with Amazon. I know how to dropship from Amazon or Walmart or any e-commerce website. I have tried all of these on my eBay dropshipping business. Okay. Now, as you can see here, guys, what you need to do, you want to go to Amazon and search for a product. It could be any product, and the purpose of searching for a product on Amazon is to search for your competitors on eBay. So I'm going to search, for example, for gaming desk, okay, for example. Now I'm going to search for gaming desk, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to search if there are other if there are competitors that are selling this product from Amazon. Okay, I'm going to go to eBay. I'm going to copy the title of Amazon product. As you can see, I'm going to search for it on eBay and see if people are selling this product or not. If people don't sell this exact product on their eBay, then this product is not working. Okay, it has to have some sales. As you can see, this product, as you can see, and they look similar. They are actually the same. Okay, they are the same. As you can see, 70. Yeah, it's the same product. So as you can see, the price of the item is $87, and this guy is selling it for $112. Okay, this is what I do, guys. I just find a product. It could be any product on Amazon, and I search for it on eBay and see if other sellers are selling it. I don't care if Amazon seller has sold 6,000 items of this item on Amazon. I don't care about that. I care about if this item is working, is getting sales on eBay. Then I try to list it. Okay. Now, as you can see here, guys, like I said, the profit margin here is low. It's around like $10, $12. It's not a lot. That's what also I don't like about Amazon is the profit margin compared to AliExpress. AliExpress is like you can get like 40% profit margin, 50%, sometimes 100. That's what I like about AliExpress. I've been doing AliExpress to eBay for a very long time. Anyway, now as you can see, this is what I do. Now after you find a product like similar, if it doesn't have any sales, then why would you sell it on your eBay store? If this seller on eBay has imported the exact same product from Amazon to eBay, but nobody cares about it, it has no sales, don't list it. Okay, don't. Find a product that has at least 3 sales. Now what I do in this case, you want to go to the store of the eBay seller. Because they are selling this product from Amazon, that means they have all products from Amazon, and we can copy them. We can see their most successful listing, and we can copy their products that has a lot of sales. You want to scroll down and click on sold items. Okay, now if you click on sold items, they will show you all the items that are successful on this store. So this one, as you can see, it has it has 2 sales. That's okay. At least 2 sales. That's okay. You can list it. You can find this exact product on Amazon and you can list it on your eBay store. Okay. So that's exactly how the business works. It's simple. It's not a hard thing to do. Now, if you want guys to take your business to the next level, I would highly suggest guys using AliExpress to eBay. It has no problem. I have been doing that for a very long time. No problem at all. On Amazon, there are a lot of problems. Most people always say like AliExpress, it's Chinese website, the shipping time is very long. No, they don't care. Like as long as the price is lower than other sellers on eBay, they don't care. They are going to buy the product because they see here the item location is China. They don't really care about the time, the shipping time, because they know this item is coming from China. It's going to take like 15 days, 20 days. So they don't care because they are buying it for example, this one is selling this product for 170. I am going to sell it for 140 because I am getting the item from a Chinese website. It's cheaper. And these people that are dropshipping from Amazon, these people from Amazon, they are buying from Alibaba and AliExpress. They are getting these products to the Amazon warehouse and then they are selling them, and then someone else from eBay is dropshipping that exact product. So everyone wants to make a profit, and it's going to be paid by the buyer. So why don't you just go to a Chinese website where all these people buy these products, and then you can import them directly to your store, and you can have cheaper prices on your eBay store, and then people are going to buy from you. Okay, that's how I make over $7,000 every single month on eBay just using AliExpress. I have never I have never tried to stop using AliExpress because that's the platform that worked for me. Okay, and I highly suggest you guys to start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. So if you want to start dropshipping from eBay, please drop a like on this video and click the video in the screen right now so that you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. I showed you guys exactly how you can list product, how you can find the winning product. I showed you everything in the video in the screen. Just click on that and see you guys in the next video.